Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of the most debated topics in the world of artificial intelligence. Can machines be creative? From generative art and composing music to writing poetry, AI is entering the creative space in the fascinating ways. But does this mean AI is capable of true creativity, or is it just mimicking human patterns? Let's explore this question and look at some incredible examples of AI generated art. Let's get started. So now we'll talk about first what is AI in art. So first things first, what exactly is AI in art? AI generated art is created using algorithms that allows machines to produce paintings, musics, literatures, and even sculptures. These algorithms are trained on vast amounts of existing network, learning the styles and patterns of famous artists, musicians, or writers. The AI then use this knowledge to create something entirely new. But that make it art. This is where the debate begins. This is where the debate begins. So now we'll talk about examples of AI generated art. Now let's look at some real world examples of AI generated art. One famous example is a portrait called Edmond de Bellamy, created by an AI algorithm. This painting was sold at auction of over $432,000 in 2018, making headlines around the world. The AI is behind this network. The AI behind this artwork used a machine learning technique called GANS, Generative Adversarial Network, to analyze thousands of paintings and generate its own unique work. Another interesting example is AI generated music. OpenAI's MuseNet can compose music in different styles from classical to jazz by analyzing patterns in hundreds of thousands of music pieces. So now we'll talk about how does AI create art. So how does AI create art? It's all start with training the AI on massive debates. So how does AI create art? It all start with training the AI on massive data sets. Let's the GNS as an example. GAN work by having two neural networks, a generator and a discriminator. The generator tries to create something that looks like real art, while the discriminator tries to tell if it is fake or not. So, over time, the generator gets better and creating images that even hundreds cannot distinguish from real art. This process allows AI to generate art that music's human creativity, but it's truly creative. That's the big question. So now we'll talk about philosophical debate. Can machine truly be creative? Now let's dive into the philosophical side of things. Creative is often seen as a uniquely human trait. It involves imagination, emotions, expressions, and deep connection to culture. But if AI is capable of producing stunning work of art or music, can we really say that machines lack creativity? Some argue that AI is simply following patterns and rules set by humans, so it's not truly a creative. It's just imitating. Other believe Other believe that AI has the potential to redefine creativity, producing work that humans couldn't have imagined. So where do you stand? So let me know in the comments below. So where do you stand? Let me know in the comments below. So now we'll talk about collaboration between humans and AI. One of the most existing developments is the collaboration between humans and AI in the creative process. Artists, musicians, and writers are using AI as a tool to push the boundaries of their own creativity. For example, composer Holly Haddon uses AI as a bandmate to create experimental electronic music. In visual art, some painters use AI generated designs as inspiration for their own work, blending humans' creativity with machines' intelligence. So rather than completing the human artist, AI is becoming a partner in the creative process. So, is AI generated art real art? So, is AI generated art real art? This question depends on how you define art itself. If you believe that art is about personal expression and emotion, then you might argue that AI lacks the ability to create true art. However, if you see art as a process of innovation, exploration, and breaking new ground, AI might be pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the art world. Ultimately, it's up to each of us to decide whether we see AI generated art or as a legitimate legitimate form of creativity. So now we'll talk about conclusion and call to action. In conclusion, AI is changing the world of art, music, and literature in fascinating ways. While the debates about whether machines can truly be creative is still ongoing, there is no denying that AI is opening up new possibilities in the creative space. What do you think? Can machines be creative? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. So thanks for watching. So till then, a lot of care of you. I'll see you in the next videos.